Hello, everybody. Welcome to Zil Skill, your one stop destination to discover and explore lots of kids' activities and hobbies. So, today we are planning to make this beautiful house craft. So, let me turn it around and show it to you. Here we go. Hey, yes, isn't it beautiful? And it's very simple. And I will be guiding you the material requirement for this craft side by side. Okay. So let's begin. So first we need a light green sheet and you have to cut it in a circle. This is approximately 9 centimeter. Okay. Then I have taken the blue color. So now this is an optional for you because I'm planning to make blue hut. So I will be making blue house and this is the roof. So I've taken this circle and this is going to be the door. So your door and circle color should be same. So this is 12 centimeter and the door is about 10 centimeter in the length and the width is 5 centimeter. Okay, so let me show it to you. Like this is, we have taken the orange one, so orange roof and the orange door. So this is your own choice, whatever the color you want to go for. You can go for red, you can go for pink, and I'm going for the blue one today. All right. Then we have this yellow rectangle. This is for the window. So this is approximately 4 centimeter length and the width is 2 centimeter. And then I'm having this purple strip. This purple strip is about 5 centimeter and 2 centimeter. So I will be putting this right in the center of this door. So again, this is an optional for you. In case you don't have purple color, you can go with any color. You can take up yellow color as well. That's up to you. Okay. So then we have these small 4 rectangle. We're going to make these flowers from this. Okay. So we are planning to make the flowers from this. So you can take, say, about any of your choice color. You can go with any color, whatever you want. Okay, so this is about 4 centimeter and 2 centimeter each. And we are going to be making, say, about 8 flowers from this. Then we need white circles of 1 centimeter each. So this you can go for 12 to 14 circles. Okay, so 1 centimeter. All right. Then we have this green strip. This green strip, this is approximately 20 centimeter and the width is about 2 centimeter. Okay. So I'm going to keep this aside. Then we need sketch pen, the black one, and any of your choice. You can go with pink or the red one. That's up to you. Then we need scale and then we need scissors, scale, and Fevicol. And the most important is the thermocol glass. Okay. And this thermocol size is about 3 inches tall. Okay. That comes in my finger. So this is just 3 inches tall. All right. So side by side, I will keep on guiding you the measurements once again. Okay. So all right. So let me put these things aside and let's start up. Hey, here we go. So let's begin. Okay, so what you have to do is you have to fold this. Okay, fold the dough like this and give a N shape. You call it as here. If you're going to do it like this way, it's U. If you do it like this way, it's N. All that is, you just have to remove the side and just give a little bit semi look. This is absolutely fine. Just give it a semi look and you just have to cut it. Nothing else you have to do. It is very simple. Here we go. So now I'm having these two because I've cut it. So I'm having these two. One, I'm going to keep it aside because at the moment I don't need this. And this I will be pasting it. So let me put the scissors aside and I'm just going to paste it. Okay. So this is ready. Okay. And then I can paste this as well. So let's paste it together. Now, as I have pasted this, I will be taking this and just giving a little bit semi-loop. So just I need to give it a little semi-loop. That's why I need this. So for this, you can turn around like this. And you know, this is the portion you need to cut. Okay. So I need to paste this right here. All right, so what you have to do this, we are supposed to make a window, just fold it, okay? Fold it and just cut it, okay? Let us cut this now. Here we go. So we are going to make a window. Okay, right. So for making the window, we need, say, the black color because we have to make the outline. So we need a black color. Okay. So first I'm going to do this. Okay. So now it's up to you. First you want to make it in the center. You put a line or you want to put it in the cross. So first let me work. Have this also. So let me work on this. All right. So these are my two windows which are ready. Okay, and now I will be pasting this window right here, one here and one here. Let's begin. See, this is ready. So let it get fixed for some time. So let's work on the roof now. Okay, so now it all depends upon the color of your choice. Again, I'm repeating. So first of all, we have to cut this till here, till center, just one line cut. Okay, let me cut it and show you. Just one line till the center. Okay, so now we have to make the roof like this one. So all you have to do is just fold it like this. Okay, so first we will be pasting the white one, but I'm just showing it, okay, because you have to cut it from here and just one on top, you have to get it here, okay, like here. So once you get it on the top, so it will be your roof is going to be ready. So it's just a center cut. And this whole circle is say about 12 centimeter. Okay. So now we know that we have to get it here till here. So I'm going to mark it with little pencil and I'm going to be telling you why. Okay. So that I can avoid putting these white circles here because this would be coming under the other one. So let's begin to put little bit here. We're going to put a little few here first and then we can be working on it. Okay, so now I will be fixing it. So let me show you like this first. Okay, so now we have this till center cut. So this is going to be on top. I've already marked here. So now I will be fixing this. Okay. So once I'm going to fix, then I can add these few whites. I can take out where it's needed. Okay. So now I'm going to apply the Fevicol and about to fix it. And in case you feel that this is popping out a little, just cut a little in case you want, otherwise it's okay. Okay, so now you can see, if you believe that, I believe I can put one more here. Now I can add more. All right, this is going to be the cool one, isn't it? So we have to fix that. We haven't done it yet. All right. Okay, so now we are going to make the flowers and these cute bushes, right? The leaves. So all you have to do is, first of all, you see, we're going to start up from here and we have to get it till here. So we have left with this, the big one, but we will not cut it right now. First, let us work on this. So we have taken this big green strip. This is about 20 centimeter and the width is 2 centimeters. So we're going to fold this like this. Don't press it, it's okay, and you just have to give a zigzag thing. Okay, so I will be doing it right in front of you. So because you have to leave this more, okay, so just a small zigzag will go. All I'm going to do it, I'm going to put these green leaves aside. These are very cute bushes. So once I'm going to open this, go with like this. So the side, you have to see the one you like. So we're going to start from here and then we have to go it here. Okay, so let's put the Fevicol right here, not anywhere else, just here only, okay? We'll tell you why. So on the side, I have gonna be pressing it. Okay, right. So it's done. All right, so now I don't want that this Fevicol portion will be visible to you. So that's why I'm going to apply it on the glass rather than on these bushes. So here we go. Okay, so once this is ready, then we're going to work on this door. Okay, the second one, because we have to give a little bit 3D effect. So all you have to do it, first you have to cut it from the center and just fold this here. Okay, now you have to cut it from the center right here. So once you're going to be fixing it, so your one door will be coming here, the other one will be coming here. So again, this is blue, this is merging. So let me just take this so that you can see it here. And let's make the door. All you have to do is make a semicircle like this for the door. And just color it with the black. Here we go, this is done. But we need to, because we need to pop it out. So from here, just let it go up. Right. Press it and let it go up, right? So now we need to put these beautiful flowers. So first of all, we are supposed to make these flowers. It's very easy. I'm just going to make a very simple flower, which you can easily make it. So let me just fold this because then I need a folding one. Make a very simple flower. So I'm just going to put it one circle here. And I'm just going to go with 3 rounds only. 2 and 3. There we go. So this is my flower. Okay, very simple one. Okay, so I'm going to fold this and now I'm going to cut it. Okay, so here we go. So we're going to have these tiny, tiny flowers. This is side, so I'm having these tiny, tiny flowers. Can you see this? So cute, isn't it? Such a cute, cute, tiny, tiny flowers I'm having, right? So now it's up to you. You want to take pink color, you want to take red color. So all you have to do is just you have to work on the center, right? It's looking cute, isn't it? Okay, so now we have to fix it with a screen sheet right here. Okay, so I'm going to apply the Fevicol here. Oh, my blue house is looking pretty cool, right? Okay, now we have to work on the top. Okay, so we need to fix this. Yes. So our blue house is ready. Yay, isn't it? Okay, this is looking so cute. Can you see this? Looking so cute. All right, so just let me lift it up so that you can see. Okay, so here we go. I'm going to show you more how different color you can take here. Okay, so here we go. So this is, I've made the pink house. Then this is the orange one. Okay, and now we have this blue one. So we are having these three houses. You can go with any color. You can go with red, you can go with purple, you can go with any color. All right, kids, I hope you're going to enjoy this beautiful house craft. All right, bye.